My video about Mark Zuckerberg is getting more and more views at the moment. It now has almost 1,000 views. Now you might be asking yourself, yo, MoneyRobot, how much money did you make with this video? Mark Zuckerberg has a lot of money, so the video must make a lot of money, right? Because there are a lot of ads playing before the video? No problem at all. Today I'm going to publish all the data and insights about this video. The video has reached 690 views. It has been viewed for a total of 3.3 hours. And now the big moment. It has earned me $0. And it'll probably never make a single cent. But 23 people have subscribed because of it. No idea why people even subscribe to this channel. Big shout out to Mark to make this possible. Without him, those 23 people would have never made it to this channel. Love you guys.